In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove padding from boxed text in Mailchimp. This is a helpful technique, especially if you're looking to refine your email design and make sure that every element fits perfectly without unnecessary extra spaces. First, let's start by heading over to Mailchimp's website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If you're new to Mailchimp, you might want to take a moment to explore the basic features, but for our purposes today, we're focusing on those boxed text elements. After logging in, navigate to your campaign section. This is where all of your email campaigns live. To do that, find the campaigns tab on the dashboard and click on it. From the drop-down, select all campaigns. Now you'll see a list of your existing campaigns. You can either choose an existing campaign that you'd like to edit, or if you're starting fresh, you can create a new campaign. Whichever you choose, click to open it. Once inside your selected campaign, head over to the content editor. Look for the box text block that you wish to modify. This is what we'll be focusing on to adjust the padding. The box text block is a versatile tool that allows you to add important information in a highlighted way, but sometimes the default padding can create too much empty space around your text. With the box text block selected, turn your attention to the right hand side of the screen. Here you'll find several tabs. Click on the Style tab. This section controls how your box text looks and feels. In this tab, search for the padding options. Padding, for those unfamiliar, refers to the space between the text or content and the border that surrounds it. Now, to remove the padding, simply set each of the padding values to 0 pixels. Doing this will ensure that the text aligns precisely with the borders, giving your email a cleaner, more polished appearance. After you've adjusted these settings, it's important to see how these changes will appear to your recipients. Click on Preview to view your email without any padding in the boxed text. This allows you to check if the modification aligns with your design goals and doesn't disrupt the flow of your email. Finally, if you're happy with how everything looks in the preview, the last step is to click on Save and Exit. This will secure all your adjustments and apply them to your campaign. Remember, whenever you're working with email campaigns, it's always a good idea to send a test email to yourself or a colleague to make sure everything looks perfect. And that's it. You've successfully removed the padding from your boxed text in Mailchimp, giving your email a streamlined, professional appearance. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this was helpful in enhancing your email marketing efforts.